Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Mathur. Today we are going to discuss the topic force, work and energy. In this topic, we would be specifically discussing about a simple machine. Let's understand first what is simple machine, what are the types of simple machines that we use in our daily life. As the name itself suggests, machines which are simple and easy to use. On our everyday basis, we use these type of simple machines that makes our work easier and faster for us. Examples of simple machines are pulley, lever, wheel and axle, wedge, inclined plane and screw. Now here in this video we would be specifically discussing about one type of simple machine, that is lever. But before starting the topic lever, let's understand what is lever or whether we have seen the lever in our lives or not. Yes, we have all seen it. In our early childhood, we all have used the seesaw in the parks, where the two seats are there on a single rod and they are attached to a center point, and one child which is heavy in weight goes down and the other child which is light in weight goes up, and until and unless he applies force to make sure that the first child goes up back again. Yes, that is the example of the first class lever or the lever or the concept which we have used. Now, lever is carrying three parts, that is load, fulcrum and effort. Effort means force also. Let's understand more about each one of them separately. Load. What is load? Load is the weight that is to be lifted or moved from one place to another. That is basically load is equals to weight. Fulcrum. Fulcrum is the center point of the rod where the rod is fixed. Main center point, so that the rod does not moves from its place. Effort. Effort is also called as force. Don't get confused with it. I'm again telling you. Effort is the force that we apply to move or lift the heavy object. You can see in the picture, fulcrum is in the center, load and effort are shown, or the force. Now, depending upon the position of the load, fulcrum and effort, levers are classified into three types: first class lever, second class lever and third class lever. We would be discussing each one of them separately with examples and their pictures. First class lever. First class lever is very common, like I told you, the normal seesaw where the center point is the fulcrum and effort or the force and the weight are on the other sides. So in this lever, the fulcrum is between the load and the effort, or in short form we can say EFL. E means effort, F means fulcrum and L stands for the load. We have been using these first class lever in our daily lives also. Let's understand the examples. We all have used nail cutters, scissors, pliers in our daily life. Yes, these are the examples of the first class lever. You can see the picture that fulcrum is in the center. When load is applied, that is weight is applied on one end, the rod will go up, that is the force is applied. Let's understand the next type of lever, that is second class lever. In second class lever, as I told you that these are classified on the positions of the fulcrum, load and effort. So in this type of lever, the load comes in the center between the fulcrum and the effort, that is ELF. E is the effort, L is the load and F is the fulcrum. You can see the picture which is available on the screen, that the examples of the second class lever are bottle opener, nutcracker, wheelbarrow. You can see the picture of the person carrying a wheelbarrow where the center point, it is a wheel, is the fulcrum. The box where he is containing the load, that is the weight or the load, and the rods which are in the person's hand, he is applying the effort to it or the force to it. So it is an example of second class lever. One more real life example which we use every day in our homes is the lemon squeezer. The lemon squeezer is also the example of second class lever. Let's move to the next type of lever, that is a third class lever. In this lever, the effort is between the fulcrum and the load. Now you all have observed that the positions of all these three, fulcrum, load and effort, are changing. Rest everything is same. So the formula comes at LEF, where L is the load, E is the effort or the force, and F is the fulcrum. This also we use in our daily life. Third class lever examples are ice tongs, tweezers, fishing rod. They all are the examples of the third class lever. You can see that when we use the ice tongs, the fulcrum is at the last. The things which we need to pick up, that is the load, and we apply the pressure or the force on the in the center point. So effort and force are applied on the center point. So that is the example of third class lever. I hope the concept lever is clear to all of you. Thank you and have a nice day.